Okay, well, today is Easter Monday and it's time to do some work on the XY. Behind the scenes, I've been collecting parts, as you do when you're building a car. So, there's the engine plate, the steering. The engine's at APM. It'll be going together in the next week or two. 400 cube, blowing. Got all the good gear for that. I bought a dummy motor off Malix. Thank you very much, Chris, from Malix again. I got a dummy LS, and my mate Pete over at Sydney Speed gave me an old Turbo 400 case. Thanks, Pete. I got my mate Nathan coming over. He's going to start wiring it. I've got to put down fuel line from the back, dash 12 fuel line. I'm going to start putting the dash in it, and fuel lines and battery cables and stuff, and get it happening. So watch this space, it'll be all happening soon. And then once it's all finished, I can get the doors on and get it all happening. It won't take long. But at the moment today, we've got this old beast. We'll be hooking into this today as well. So gonna be a bit of action here at my place today. So I'll post up what we do, and I hope you enjoy the videos. Please like and subscribe. Over. Thanks for liking Motormouth TV. Be sure to like and subscribe. Over.